Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make character AI bots. If you find this guide useful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. Okay, the first step is to search for character AI in Google. We log in, click on Create Character. Here we name it. And up here a picture. Here we put a tag. Then we will go to ChatGPT and we will tell it that we want it to generate a prompt for a bot. Then we will tell it to make a prompt of our character with the following format. And here you copy the format that I will leave in the description. Copy everything. Then click on More Options and paste it here. Now we will go to ChatGPT and we will tell it to write a definition. Copy the text and summarize it to less than 500 words. In my case, I will summarize it with another page, but you can do it from ChatGPT itself. Copy the summary and paste it in description. Here, we will put the greeting we want the bot to give us. Then click here and we can chat. If you liked the video, leave me a like and subscribe. Thanks.